Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to give you a review of solar inverter, that is Inverex Nitrox 3 kilowatt solar inverter. We install 615 watt solar panels and there are 6 panels here. So they are producing around 1.97 kilowatt right now, and it can produce up to 2.3 kilowatts per hour. And here you can see the current time is 10:17 a.m. and the energy is being produced, that is 1.96 kilowatt, and battery SOC is 94%, where 0.84 kilowatt is being taken to be charged the battery, and the home load is 1.05 kilowatt. If I It's a touch screen. If I click on the solar panel section, so it says the current voltages ampere are coming from the solar panels. We have generated around 3.5 kilowatt today and 3.33 megawatt in a year, because we installed this a year ago. And here I can see this energy breakdown. It shows today graph. We can install a mobile application as well. I will give you a video on it after it. And I set on the day, so it says at what time it was generating, how much the power, the maximum power it can generate. It's 3000 kilowatt. If I select month, so it says by date, and if I select year, so it shows by month, okay, in which month I generated how much. So because the January was cold, so we just generated 160 watt, but last year I generated around 350 kilowatt in a month. If I click on total, so it says how much. If I it it easily say 3.3 megawatt has been generated in a year. Okay, there's a couple of more options. If I click on galactic, so it says we use 2.2 kilowatt since 12 a.m. and total 1.66 megawatt since we installed the system. And we sell, because I don't sell to electric, because I don't have a green meter, so that's why it just says 00. Okay, and it can also show by day, month, year, total. Okay, if I click on SOC, so it's battery, so it tells the battery voltages and SOC. If I click on, so it just say what's going on here. Okay, here you can see the battery. Here you can see the setting icon. If I click on it, so there are a couple of options. If I click on the battery, so there are options. You can use this inverter without a battery. Currently we use 2 tubular lead acid battery. Here I set the battery ampere and the current. If I need to charge through a solar panel, and discharge current max and other settings. Here there are other things. If I want to charge through a grid, so there are settings. If I click on it, so it tells at what SOC we need to shut down the system or open the beep or restart the system. If I click on basic settings, so you can set the time, the dates, these things. If I click on system, so it tells maximum solar power, that is this watt. Okay, if I can probably get this. If I set this, oh sorry, uh, I set this to 360. It's 3600 watts. Okay, if I click on here, so it tells, that is the most important thing. I have set the time of use, so I am telling at what time, at what SOC I need to drop the battery to, even thought the grid is available or not, and at which section we need to charge the battery. And these are the dates. Okay, if I click on grid, so I can set the voltages, the frequency, and everything. If I click on advanced functions, so we can set the backup delay, CT ratio, and much more. If I click on generator, we can also connect our generator here, and we can set either the generator need to charge the batteries or not. Device info here, it says either if the faults occurs, it tells at what time and what the error came. For example, 18 to 2026, we got a battery low error, so it's logging. So this is okay, so this is touch screen. These are for keys, two for up and down for scrolling purpose. This is an enter key. For example, if the things are here, and if I click on it, so it will always be going there. And this is ESC to go back. So this is the basic overview of our system, and it's so good because in a year we didn't get a single problem. Thank you for watching. For Wi-Fi configuration, please watch my next video. Thank you.